Welcome back. It's Weather Wednesday, a time when we get to talk about the weather together and help you understand a bit more about how it can impact our lives here in Kern County. And this Sunday, we're going to change our clocks ahead 1 hour, and that does have a slight influence on how we forecast the weather. So first, last Sunday was March 1st, the beginning of meteorological spring. As we start to notice more spring-like weather out there, we hit the 80s for this weekend for the first time since November. So astronomical spring officially begins March 20th. That's the vernal equinox, as we're lined up with the sun, and the daylight hours are roughly equal to nighttime hours. But we're going to spring forward for daylight saving time this Sunday, so we want you to turn those clocks ahead. This is a good time to remember to test your smoke alarms, but remember that you lose your hour of sleep. It is kind of nice though for those of you who want the sun to stay up longer. It's going to be dark in the mornings now until 7:16 a.m., but then our new sunset time is at 6:57 p.m. And with the time change coming up this Sunday, the sun will be rising again later, so I want you to remember to watch out for all of the kids there at the bus stops as well. But if you're going to be out enjoying your forecast each afternoon, typically I've been saying we'd hit our high at about 3 p.m. in the afternoon for those winter months. Now that it's springtime and with the time change, we'll be hitting our high of the day at about 4 p.m. So that doesn't really mean that the time is affecting your weather. It's just something that we notice as meteorologists and climatologists as we are tracking your forecast. It takes longer during our usual day to see the sun heating up our atmosphere, and so you get that later high in the day. And we also will have our forecasting times adjusted just a little bit, because the time when we get our international weather charts will now be 1 hour later as well, because the National Weather Service operates on Z time. That's Greenwich Mean Time, which is along the prime meridian. They don't observe daylight saving time. So the charts that I use, they're still produced and transmitted the same time, Z time, year round. I just have to wait longer to get it.